Okay, this is the unboxing of my new hat from Ecuador. Oh wow. Okay, it's a Montecristi from Ecuador, from Panama Hats Direct. So I bought this one. This is actually the entry level hat and all from Panama Hats Direct. It's supposedly a Montecristi. It's the sub-fino level, or their base Panama hat from Montecristi, not a Cuenca. Supposedly a Cuenca is another, it's from another village in Ecuador, but this is supposedly a Montecristi. There you go. Sub-fino because I wanted to try them out first, and if I'm happy with it, I might buy a fino or a super fine one. So the difference between, say, a Cuenca or a Montecristi is supposedly a Montecristi is something which is more favored, more use of natural fibers, natural straw fibers. And yep, there you go. This is a Montecristi Panama hat. All right. I'll do a review of this sometime later, once I've used it for quite a bit, maybe in about 6 months time. Okay, thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe if you like content like this. Thanks.